Hi, I am Hardik Nayak from Engineering Guru 2020 YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn cam profile in which oscillating roaring follower and having simple harmonic motion means S.H.M. This video will be very useful whenever you draw the cam profile. Let's take one example. Draw a cam profile to drive an oscillating rolling follower to the specification given below. A. The follower moves outwards through an angular displacement 20 degree during the first 120 degree rotation of the cam. B. Follower return to its initial position during next 120 degree rotation of cam. C. Follower dwell during the next 120 degree of cam rotation. The distance between pivoted center and rolling center equal to 120. The distance between pivoted center and cam axis equal to 130 mm. Minimum radius of cam equal to 40 mm. Radius of rolling equal to 10 mm. Inward and outward strokes take place with simple harmonic motion. Here given data, theta O equal to 120 means outstroke, theta R return stroke 120 degree, theta D dwell 120 degree. Here simple harmonic motion is given for both outstroke and return stroke. Base circle radius equal to 40 mm, angular displacement equal to 20 degree, and radius of rolling equal to 10 mm. Let's start with displacement diagram. Here simple harmonic motion is given for both outstroke and return stroke. So here I will share one easy technique for drawing displacement diagram for S.H.M. Draw one rectangle from the given data. Lift of the follower is not given, but angular displacement is given, that is 20 degree. So lift of the follower equal to radius of arc into angle. Here radius of arc equal to 120 and angle displacement angle is given 20 degree. So convert into radian. So multiply into pi by 180. So we will get lift of the follower equal to 41.8 mm. So lift of the follower taking on y-axis and on x-axis angular displacement. Here outstroke equal to 120 degree, return stroke equal to 120 degree, and remaining dwell equal to 120 degree is given. Here draw first outstroke, it would be 20 mm. Second return stroke equal to 120 mm and final dwell equal to 120 mm, and it's shown with broken section line. Next I would be dividing this outstroke into 6 equal parts and draw projected vertical line through all points, and then given notation 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After outstroke there would be return stroke, that is 120 degree. Again divide this return stroke into 6 equal parts and draw projected vertical line through all points. For the simplicity I would be keeping the same notation in reverse order, that is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. After return stroke their final stroke is 12, that is 120 degree. Now we will draw simple harmonic motion diagram. First mark midpoint. From here I will be draw one semicircle, then dividing into 6 equal parts with the light lines, means taking each angle at 30 degree, and give notation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then draw light projected horizontal line through all points. During outstroke, in order to plot the points, first division vertical line and semicircle horizontal line intersect here. So this is point A. Second division vertical line and this horizontal line intersect here. So this is point B. Third division, vertical line and semicircle horizontal line intersect here. So this is point C. Fourth division, vertical line and semicircle horizontal line intersect here. This is point D. Fifth division, vertical line and fifth division semicircle horizontal line intersect here. This is point E, and this is your final point F. So after getting all these points, I will be connecting them with the help of smooth curve. This is S.H.M for out stroke. Then after return stroke, the follower moves its original position. During return stroke, in order to plot the points, fifth division vertical line and this semicircle horizontal line intersect here. So this is point G. Then fourth division vertical line, this horizontal line intersect here. This is point H. Third division vertical line, this semicircle line intersect here. This is point I. Then second division point J. First division vertical line, horizontal line intersect here. This is point K, and final point A. I would be connecting them with the help of smooth curve. Finally, I will be reaching at minimum height in this way. This is simple harmonic motion for return stroke. The remaining 180 degree, it remains at bottom position. So I will be draw dark line indicate dwell for the remaining cycle. Now we will draw cam profile. Here a follower stroke S equal to 41.88 mm is given. Angle displacement 20 degree. Base circle 40 mm. Prime circle. Here prime circle equal to 40 plus rolling circle equal to 10 means 50 mm. OA1 equal to 130 mm. AA1 equal to 120 mm. Theta O, theta R and theta D equal to 120 degree, and simple harmonic motion for both out and return stroke are given. Take one random point and draw vertical line denoted by point O. First draw base circle with center O and radius equal to minimum radius of the cam, that is 40 mm. Now draw prime circle with the center O and radius OA, means radius of cam plus radius of rolling equal to 40 plus 10 equal to 50 mm. Now locate the pivot center, that is A1, and OA1 equal to 130 mm and AA1 equal to 120 mm. Draw a pivot circle with the center O and radius OA1 equal to 130 mm. Now from OA1 line, with the help of compass, draw angle 120 degree to represent out stroke of the follower. Then from this line, draw angle 120 degree to represent inverse stroke of the follower, and that is angle 120, and remaining angle 120 degree to represent dwell. Now first divide out stroke into 6 equal parts with the help of protractor, taking each angle at 20 degree and give notation 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 as it is mentioned in displacement diagram. Similarly, you can do for return stroke, dividing in 6 equal parts, taking each angle at 20 degree and give notation 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0, same as displacement diagram. Now with point 1 on the pivot circle as a center and radius equal to A1A, that is 120 degree, draw circular arc to intersect the prime circle. and this is point A. Now with point 2 on pivoted circle as a center and radius equal to A1A, that is 120 mm, draw a circular arc intersect the prime circle, and this is point 2. Now with point of outstroke 3, 4, 5, 6 and return stroke points 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 as a center and radius equal to O1A, that is 120 mm, and draw circular arc to intersect from the prime circle and get points 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Now take the radius 1 to A from displacement diagram and this arc 1 with the help of compass. Draw arc here and locate the point A. Now next, radius 2 to B with the help of compass. Set the radius from 2 to B. Draw arc here and locate the point B. Now 3 to C on this arc 3 with the help of compass, locate the point C. Similarly 4 to D with the help of compass, locate the point D. Then 5 to E with the help of compass on this arc, locate the point E. Then 6 to F with the help of compass on this arc, locate the point F. Then F to G, locate point G. Then 4 to H with the help of compass on this arc, you can locate point H. Then 3 to I, same on this arc, locate point I. Then 2 to J with the help of compass, you can locate the point J. 1 to K, locate point K, and final point L. Now draw circle with point A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L as a center and radius of rolling equal to 10 mm. Join the bottom of circle with smooth curve, means circle point A, B, C, D, E, F are for outstroke and G, H, I, J, K, L for return stroke and remaining dual. So this is the required cam profile. At the end, if you find my video very helpful, you can like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.